If pressure at suction side of impeller goes below vapor pressure of water, a dangerous phenomenon could happen. Water will start to boil, forming vapor bubbles and spoil impeller materials over time. This phenomenon is known as cavitation. More the suction head, lesser should be the pressure at suction side to lift water. This fact puts a limit to maximum suction head a pump can have. Careful pump selection is required to avoid problem of cavitation. Current impeller type is enclosed, but they are slightly less efficient.
So this kind of various designs we can go
Mechanical
for the
design of centrifugal pump.
Listen guys, we can go for the different types of designs for the impellers. Okay.
Efficient. A shaft is used to connect between the impeller and motor. Since water pressure inside casing is huge, a proper sealing arrangement is imperative in arresting water leakage through shaft casing clearance. To fit a bearing, since it will block the flow. High flow rate pumps, a bearing housing with cooling oil.
I hope you like that. Hello. Okay guys, so again we are back. I think you understood the function of centrifugal pump. Just to understanding purpose only, I have shown to you the videos. Otherwise it is not that much required to go within detail. Somebody's written, ma'am, we are already seen that video in FM2 centrifugal pump. Good. Madhuri has written it. Okay. So what I will do, we have only 20 minutes. You suggest me whether would you like to see some more videos with some more types of pump, or may I share the links with you on the WhatsApp group? Suggest fast. You keep on giving me suggestions because your input is very important. Without your understanding, how I can proceed? Shall I just explain the different types of pump, and then we'll send to you the links, or you would like to see the link along with the explanation? One more lecture will be go. Okay, no worry. Axial flow pump. Axial flow pumps develop most of their head by propelling action. Propelling action is being performed in the axial flow pump of the impeller vanes on the liquid. They are characterized by simple inlet impeller with the flow entering axially and generally used for, let me check whether I have started recording or not. Yes. Flow entering axially and generally used for large installations with capacities greater than 2000 meter cube per hour and head loss than 9 meter. The pumps are generally of vertical type. It does not have high specific speed ranging from 8,000 to 16,000. Okay, here also once again, I will show you this. I will share in your chat box, as well as I will show you this video if you are allowing me. Otherwise, I am ready to go with the next part. Okay. Now I will have to share this. Stop sharing. Share new one. You You can see. It was a mixed flow. Something ऊपर नीचे हो गए हैं. Okay, चल. Then the radial flow, the head developed in, someone has written in the chat box. I should share the links also. I will share that entire PPT with you on the WhatsApp group, and the links are being added into that PPT. So you can see that later on also. Okay. Now, are you visible my presentation now? Okay. So radial flow pump, in the head developed in these type of pump is principally the action of centrifugal force. These pumps are characterized by relatively low specific speed with single inlet impeller having specific speeds up to 4,200 and double suction units having specific speeds less than 6,000. Okay. So shall I go to the next point? That is reciprocating pump. Reciprocating pumps are more or less obsolete sewage pumping station, since they are liable to be clogged by solids or some fibrous materials through even though sewage may have passed through the coarse screen. Sometimes means reciprocating pump is not being used that much the way other pumps are being used, because it is getting clogged, is it? So you remember centrifugal force, centrifugal pump, radial flow pump, mixed flow pump, and axial flow pump. These four pumps are being used especially for the pumping of sewage. Okay, so you should remember these four pumps and their functions, how these are working for the sewage pumping. Okay, it is very simple. Very rarely the question will be asked on this, but the question will be there on the sewage pumping station. Okay, so in this lecture only 10 minutes are remaining, and sewage pumping station I have to explain in detail. Are you able to see this figure? So that figure I am supposed to explain in detail. So I am sharing these slides today. I request you to draw that figure in your notebook from this PPT. So in the next lecture only I can explain. And now we will see the radial pump video. Is it fine with you? Quickly give me an answer. What is to be done? Or shall I explain the sewage pumping station? And here the chapter will get end. Quickly. Quick, fast. Don't you understand the meaning of quick? Shall I show you the video? 10 minutes are remained. Actual radial pump video is there. Shall I show this, or shall I continue this last point? It may take 20 minutes. So I request you to draw it in your notebook, and then in the next lecture, along with the earlier example design problem, we will discuss that point also. So I will not take your opinion. I will decide not to take your opinions if you don't follow this way. You don't if you don't cooperate me. Okay, now I will show you video. Okay, let me check. Someone has written message in a chat box. Yeah, I'm going to share with you, no issue. See here, animation is shown here. Fantastic animation is shown here to understand the function of radial pump. Are you getting? Is it visible to you? How the radially the pump will push the material, entire sewage material towards the axis, and from that how it will be forwarded towards the forward direction by the pump. Is it? So it is being explained fantastically through this. Sorry, I think something went wrong. Is it visible to you? Okay, done. These are the different types of pumps we are supposed to discuss in this lecture today. Now, I think next point and example in the next lecture. Take the next point and example in next lecture, definitely, because it is going to be consumer time. Okay, thank you very much for participating. Okay. Here our chapter is over except these 2 points. These 2 points in the sense point is not remained. That figure and its explanation, it may take half an hour or more than this. 40 half an hour is more sufficient if you will come with a figure, drawing of the figure. And then next will be the we are going to discuss some part that example. And also I have committed to you that if you wish to have would like to study more in that design problems, I will share one file downloaded from the internet in the link whatever provided to you as a study material. तुम्हाला कळाली का स्टडी मटेरियलची लिंक कुठली आहे ती? I think Jagdale sir might have shared with you that study material link. If you have not received, I think I shared through a mail. If you have not received, you can ask me. I can send you on the WhatsApp group once again. You can ask me. Okay, and in that it is very systematically for all subjects. It is being shown that which lecture is scheduled at what time. Which lecture sequentially, which was covered on which date, and it's a link, a Zoom link or whatever we have covered in the Zoom lecture, and then additional notes, then additional PPTs, then MCQs, then assignment. Now at this juncture, I would like to request you to solve the assignment questions. Okay, assignment questions are being provided in that study material link. Then you can start writing the assignment questions. And I told you one more that I'm going to conduct the 2 tests. One will be scheduled at today. I will flash it today, and you are supposed to resend it back to me till tomorrow. And the next I will flash it tomorrow, and one more day will give you for submitting that another test. Okay. So this is the actually we started that way preparation in our college, and university started accepting all these formulas for implementing at the university level. Okay, so this will save your time, crucial time, I can say. Instead of wasting by chatting, watching the movies and all those things, you can save your time and you can invest your time in learning something. Is it? So I open this session to you all. Anybody can unmute yourself and they can talk to me about the first chapter, because we have ended chapter here. Unofficially, I can declare this chapter is over, though we require 1 more hour, but that is not that much great. So unofficially, I declare this chapter is over. Now you can discuss me about the problems. So I told you the first time being, you are preparing your mindset, you are writing your message in chat box for your questions. I will keep on talking with my points. So the first point I would like to tell you what type of questions will be there. I have given to you in assignment questions also. First question on the first point, that is what was the first point? Quality of water. In the quality of water, what type of question will be there? Characteristics of wastewater, is it? Or there may be a parameters, various parameters or various constituents in a wastewater. characteristics of wastewater, how to go for primary characteristics, secondary characteristics, and by characteristics of wastewater, you should classify into physical characteristics, chemical characteristics, and biological characteristics. Okay, so that listing you should know. Then a second thing, in a chemical characteristics, we have studied BOD in detail. Okay, BOD formulation, first stage BOD formulation. It's a equation. We have derived the equation for the first stage BOD formulation. For the ultimate BOD, for the particular time BOD, then L naught. So all these equations you are supposed to study, and then from that, how to solve the problems. We have taken, I think, 3-4 problems on the first stage BOD formulation. Okay, so this was the first part. Then the demand, water demand, you should find out, you should mug up the quantities with respect to water demand. You might have mugged up in the water supply engineering. In the wastewater engineering, you are supposed to find out the amount of generation rate. Okay, and that chart is also being provided by me. Okay, this is the first thing. Then the next part, we have studied about the sewerage system, the difference between two types of sewerage system. First type is the which one? Water carriage system, is it? And another one is the conservancy system. So difference between these two. This is also one of the important from the exam point of view. Then we have studied there are the different types of sewerage system as a separate sewerage system, combined sewerage system, and partially separate sewerage system. Okay. Then different types of sewers we learn. Okay, that lateral sewer, then submain sewer, main sewer, trunk sewer, house sewer, we have studied. Then various appurtenances, individual appurtenances. On individual appurtenances, there will be a question. Sometimes write a short note on manhole, write a short note on drop manhole, draw a neat sketch of the what we have studied as the last part of the appurtenances, that siphon, inverted siphon. Okay, then oil and grease trap, or the septic tank. So these are the appurtenances we have studied, and individual questions may asked on that point. Okay, then we turn towards the sewer design, hydraulic design of the circular sewer we have studied. We have derived the equation to go for the hydraulic sewer, and then we have studied the examples, design problems on the hydraulic design of the circular sewer. Okay, so these many are the important points you are supposed to study from the chapter 1 for the subject water, wastewater engineering and air pollution control. Okay, so this part, this I think overlooked on this, and I will flash today the test by the evening. Today evening I will flash it, and I will send you the link on the group. You will be able to reply to that link only once. You should not waste the chance, and it will be recorded automatically on my Google Drive, and I will store that recording for the purpose of giving you marks for the university at the time of the university results also. Okay, the way we are planning to have the term works. So once again, I will request you to keep on watching the videos uploaded on the study material spreadsheet provided to you as a link, and subscribe that. You can watch for whatever the critical what you have not understood, and then you can ask me a question. So next lecture come with the preparation of the example given to you in the last lecture. At the same time, I request you to draw the sketch whatever provided here as a pumping station, and if you will come with the sketch, it will be easy to explain me within a 15-20 minutes. Otherwise it will waste a time. You are watching, you are drawing, and I am sitting idle. It will like this, because this figure is little complicated draw. Okay, so if you don't have any question, I will declare that the meeting, the lecture is over, because you will have to watch the Facebook live session by the AICT provided for the innovators. So you can watch it, you enjoy that session. Okay, thank you very much. May I stop? Oh, I have not taken attendance, no? You people may be worrying about that. I should take, no? Just a minute. Hey, Om. अरे प्लीज पेन दे रे पटकन मला. ओके ठीक आहे, माझ्याकडे आहे पेन्सिल. Okay, roll number 55. Roll number 12, 5, 15, 23, 40, 45, 36, 6, 14, then 22, 32, 65, 9, 31, 19, 56, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 10, 17. 18, 21, 24, 26, 27, 29, 34, 35, 37, 38, 43, 47, 50, 51, 53, 58, 64, 59, 41, and Ishan Bhagwan. Isha Bhagwan. Not given the roll number. Isha Bhagwan, please give me a roll number. Isha Bhagwan, somebody can help Isha to give me a roll number. Others can leave there if I have counted their numbers. Isha Bhagwan, not given. 23. Madhuri, to me privately 28. Madhuri, I am not getting. Your roll number is 28 and 50 I have counted. 28 I have not counted. Okay, taken now. Others can leave. Roll number 9 is Isha 23. 43, 23. Okay. Okay, got it. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. 63, Rihan Inamdar. Noted. Others can leave. 47. ज्यांचे घेतलेले त्यांनी नका रिपीट करू, मला त्याचा परत डबल काउंट घेतलं बसावं लागतो. मी काउंट करताना लक्ष देत चला आणि रिपीट देत जाऊ नका. गौरव टांग, how to pronounce, I don't know. Gaurav, I will pronounce Gaurav only. Shall I declare that meeting is over? Thank you. Thank you very much.